subscribers, they'll tell you how you can easily fix your Wi-Fi problem on your iPhone. So how you can do it? So first thing, just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find Wi-Fi, so just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. Another thing you can try, just tap on your Wi-Fi network, just tap forget this network and just submit forgetting this network. So another thing you can also try, just scroll down, just find here general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple, restore your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to fix it in another way. So just go to the general, just find software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So this is the way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and bye.